If I was going on a date night, this is the makeup that I would wear because we want to draw attention to our eyes. Not saying that you need makeup for your date night, not saying that at all. However, if I was the girl that wanted to do a little something extra, this is the makeup that I would be wearing. So let's get into it. By now, I don't think I have to tell y'all that I'm using the P. Louise base. Make sure you're packing it in really, 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 really good because if you have any gaps or patches on the eye base, you'll have patches and gaps with the makeup that you're about to put on over it. We're going to be going in with the Old Faithful Jaclyn Hill palette. Y'all, this palette used to be my fave. Look at it. As you can see, she has been through it. We are going to go in with like some brown, some gold, some neutral, and then we're going to do like a bold lip. Let's get into the eye makeup. First off, we're going to go in with a medium warm brown shade. This shade right here, we're just going to tap into it, and don't be afraid to get a lot of it because we're going to need a lot of it. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to deepen up the crease. We're going to go in with a deeper brown shade, which is going to be on the bottom row. It's the third one to the darkest. So now I'm just going to wipe off the brush and then blend in that medium warm brown shade with this deeper shade. And it should look like that. Makeup always looks bad until you're done. I love the natural look. Don't get me wrong. I love it. It's beautiful. But we got to stop being afraid of a little bit of eyeshadow. I think I want to do 3. I'm going to try this with y'all. So bear with me if it don't turn out the way I want it to. We are trying this together. We're going to go in with this shade, which is the brown shade. This one, which is like a taupe brown. I don't even know what color that is. And then we're going to do the inner corner with this shade. I need an up close mirror for this part. This color is pretty, but it's really dark. I feel like there's not much going on to the eye. So I already know I'm going to probably add some black right there. So all we are doing is like 1, 2, 3. I'm really not even blending them that much. I'm just like where that shade stops is where I'm applying this one. Not even going to blend it because we don't have to. They're all shimmer shades. So if they overlap each other, it's going to be okay. I'm just going to go in with the lightest shimmer shade and I'm just going to do that inner corner and then I'm going to pack it right on top of that second shade that's in the middle. That is it. We're done with the eyeshadow. Well, not quite. With that deep dark shade, the last shade that we had used, I'm going to take this little bitty blending brush and I'm going to go right on top of where those eyeshadows stop. I'm just going to deepen it up just a little bit. If you don't want to do that part, you don't have to. I'm just going to tap a little bit of the black on the outer corner. So it's just a tiny bit. It's going to do something, I promise you. If you are scared of this part, don't do it. If you know you don't work well with black, don't do it because we do not need you having a black eye on this first date. We don't need you to look like you got a black eye, okay? Now we are just going to add some liner. And then on the bottom, I'm going to smudge it out with like the deepest brown. I think it'll be best to use the Inglot eyeliner because it is very dark. I don't want a dramatic wing. I just want a little. Every time I say that, I end up doing a dramatic wing. Perfect. All right, we're going to add some lashes and then we're going to do the bottom. Now, if y'all are not using the Juvia's Place eyelashes, y'all are sleeping on them. Fun fact, when I first started doing lashes and I didn't know how to apply them without having eyeliner on, I used to do every makeup look with eyeliner because I did not have to have the lashes as close to my waterline because you couldn't tell because of the black liner. So that was a little hack for me. I don't like putting on my black eyeliner and then doing my concealer. It just don't mix for me. I've messed it up before. So I'm going to do that and then I'll be right back. Now I'm just going to go back in with my Inglot eyeliner. That man going to be looking at you all night. I'm just saying. Lightly blend out underneath. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. I just love when a makeup look just eats. I just love it. I have been wanting to try some bottom lashes, but I'm too scared. I feel like I don't know. Maybe I'll try some. Maybe I will try some. Maybe. I've seen some of the makeup looks that the girls do with bottom lashes and they look good. Let's go ahead and set the face because we don't want this makeup to come off. If the face is not wet, you didn't do it right. Although I love this setting spray, it leaves like little wet patches on the face. Like you can see the bigger patches. So I just take my brush that I use with the loose powder and just kind of go over everything. I didn't re-dip the brush or nothing. Just going over the face to blend in any of the water patches from the spray. So if you're using it, make sure you check it because it's leaving like water patches. So the fun part is the lips. I have a lip combo. I gotta stop doing that because where have I got that from? So we got this Maybelline lip gloss. I'm gonna show you how beautiful this is. It's so pretty. So beautiful. Okay, so we have that color and it is 025 and it's called Taffy. Then we're gonna go in with the Night Moth lip liner by MAC. Y'all know what's up. And then we're gonna do Fabby by MAC as well. This is like a pink shimmer lipstick. It has little gold specks in it. We're gonna see how it looks. This is just the look that I envisioned in my head. So let's get to it. Y'all know I overdraw my lips. That is a lot of liner, but we are about to buff it out, so no worries. See how much that looks much better that looks the top compared to the bottom? So pretty. Then we're going to just go over the entire lip with this lip gloss. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see what I'm seeing? Yeah. Do we see how beautiful this looks? This lip gloss eats. Go get it. Go get it. Chef's kiss.